What's up? Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Hello, welcome to my bike check. And today we are going to talk about this extremely rare breed of bicycles here in Singapore, the Ibis. I think they are not more than a handful, and when I mean handful, maybe 10 to 20 at the very max. So let's take a look at this one here today. It belongs to a friend of mine, Mr. Rohai. I'll give him a shout out later on via Instagram. And let's go through this bike part by part, and let me know what you think of this Ibis. I think it's sexy, it's expensive, and most importantly, it's rare and extremely custom. So first up, take a look at the Onyx hubs, the Lite bicycle rims, carbon, the MRP ribbons over here. A closer look at how the Onyx is, the color. This is an extremely silent hub. No, not only just the front, but also the rear. Okay. One-up components, everyone. One-up components. Right now is a new thing here in Singapore. Not many people are running it, but they are getting traction. Ergon grips. And then this one is interesting. Check it out, you check it out. This one here, definitely rare breed. This, I don't know how to pronounce it. Direttissima. Damn, name itself is difficult. I'm sure it's going to cost a bomb. Check out the details. Prior to all those SRAM, fanboys and all that crap, we have the XDR-DI. So look at that, XDR-DI. Yeah, prior to everybody else. All right. So don't believe the hype. Just because it's European doesn't mean that it's the first. And then after which, something which you don't see very often as well, the nuke-proof Horizon stem that is very, very rare in Singapore. And take a look at the headset. It's your Hope. Ooh, full bling. And check it out. PNW, very nice, very trick. Color-coded Max, the orange cables. Oi oi! So nice new flipping saddles. Oi oi saddles from, if I'm not wrong, EMRs. Yeah, I'm right, EMRs. Let's go down to the rear shock EXT Storias, or the lightest, what do you call this, coil shocks in the market. And then look at that, just look at it. It doesn't need angles, it just blinks. It is your oil slick EE wings from Cane Creek. Damn, son, absolutely gorgeous. I think these are XTR pedals. Combination one-up as well as a trick stuff water bottle. Well, it's just the stickers on it. Silkscreen printing. And then after which you go to the back and you see also the Onyx rear hub. Silent as fuck, you can't hear shit from this thing, but it's good for people to pounce whenever you feel like it. So XDR, and yeah, I guess that's it. Oh, one-up chain guide, and lighter testicles as and when needed. Alright, so, oh yeah, before I forget, these are quite new in the market in Singapore, Victoria, Agaros. When I say new in the market, it's getting traction. Previously in Singapore, we are die-hard fan of Schwabels or Schwabies. I don't know how you pronounce that properly in your side of the country. Your side of the earth, I'm sorry. But in Singapore, we pronounce it as Schwabe, Schwabi, Schwabele, or Maxis. And then now is Victoria. So, yes. Okay, boys and girls, that's about it. That is the Ibis, and this is your Ripley. I'm sorry, Jesus Christ. I'm really not knowledgeable of Ripley bikes. I just know that this one is really rare and sexy. I heard it's good for climbing. I can't wait to own one myself in the future. So let's see how it goes. But in the meantime, stay safe, guys. Practice social distancing, and subscribe to my channel, like the video, comments if you have any, and then hope to see you very soon in the upcoming channels. Till then, ciao, ciao, ciao.